the channel to Unboxing Addict. Today I want to show you the JBL Pulse 4. As you can see, the box itself is really colorful and, well, I think it's quite cool. Here we can take a quick glimpse at the most important features of the speaker. I'll just say that it's a 20-watt IPX7 Bluetooth speaker. And well, let's open the box. And there we go! It's no surprise that the box is so colorful on the inside as well. It comes with a padded material to protect the speaker. First, let's see what comes inside this box. And as you can see, we have the charging cable and a quick start guide. And well, let's take first a look at the quick guide on how to use the speaker, which is also really colorful. As you see, JBL takes care of every detail, and that's something to be grateful for. And here's the rest of the information about the speaker, the warranty, and so on. We also have the charging cable, this is quite surprising as it comes with a reversible USB-A to USB-C. Here you can see both ports. And now let's get to the important part. Actually, it's not very light. It weighs 3 pounds, more or less. On this side, we have the volume buttons and the play and pause button, which skips a song if we push it twice. Here we can find the party boost button to connect it to other speakers and the light button to change the colors of the speaker. And finally, the power and Bluetooth buttons. Here we have the passive bass radiator, And well, let's turn it on. And check how it sounds. This is how you turn the volume up and down. And that would be it. I think it sounds amazing. Thanks for watching, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and see you on the next video.